So we're going to start with the hazard module, and what I'm going to do is pull up a set of chemicals here. This is a list that I've exported from the dashboard. I'm just going to put in a list, and we're going to profile them using the hazard profile module. Now this could also be thought of as the alternatives assessment functionality that was originally built. This is a Marcuse structure. I'm going to deselect that. I'm going to push those through. So what we have here now is a view of the hazard profile. There's an awful lot of detail here that is documented about how the data were binned, how it was sourced from ToxVal to build this particular version of the application. The actual publication is right here, should you choose to go read the original work that came from Leora Vagosen and Todd Martin. So this was the work that they did. And what we did was we built on the basic application that was created to extend this to add a lot more functionality. So for example, if we hover over and click in to that particular cell, you could see the source of the data. Right here, you can see the rationale for the actual scoring. The color coding is giving you the toxicity profiling values. Anything that's described in terms of the legend right here. So you can see that italicized letters here is predicted data, and that comes from TEST, the toxicity estimation software tool. The screening data, these are the actual sources of the screening data, and that would be standard font non-italicized, non-italicized, and then the authoritative sources you can actually see right here. These are, of course, things like IRIS, the European Chemicals Agency, ECHA, WHO, IARC monographs, etc. So these data are all summarized there. Now, some of the functionality that is built into here, you want to see the chemical structures. Of course, you can switch those into view. You can switch off the data. You can sort. So if you want to sort based on carcinogenicity. So what we're doing now is a sorting functionality. So carcinogenicity first, maybe skin irritation second, maybe eye irritation third. I mean, you can see how the sorting order is going. So carcinogenicity, skin irritation, eye irritation. Fully reset this. Also, we have done an integration here directly to the dashboard. So this will take you over by DTXSID. The letters that are in the top right-hand corner allow you to pass into genera, see the bioactivity data, find the ToxVal data. This is telling you directly that QMean has the IRIS report associated right there. So that's the IRIS linkage. You want to see the mass spec data for MONA, Mass Bank of North America. So this takes you directly into the mass spec data. And this is also going to take you directly into the bioactivity data. So we have done the integration directly between the hazard module and the dashboard. So the bioactivity data view, there is data available.